Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Infinix Note 40 5G smartphone. Let's unbox this and unwrap this. And here you can see at the top it is written Infinix Note 40 5G NFC JBL sound by JBL, and it is the variant of 256 GB 16 GB 8 plus 8 GB RAM. And you can see the processor, the Dimensity 7020 5G chipset. And at this side you can see warranty only in India, and it is a made in India product. And at the back of this you will see here it is up to 16 GB extended RAM with 15 volt of wireless mag charge, 33 volt of all round fast charge 2.0, and it has, the best thing is about it has 108 megapixel of triple camera with 32 megapixel of selfie camera, and it has also sound by JBL. That's a good part of it. And it is clean and pure OS Android 14 XOS 14. And let's talk about its AMOLED display. It has 120 Hz of refresh rate, in display fingerprint, and many more. Let's see what's inside. And friends, first here you have to just slide it up to open this box like this. And here it is the another thing. You can see here it is the MagPad wireless magnetic charger. You will get this from in the box. And let's unbox this. And friends, here it is the Infinix Note 40 5G smartphone. Let's put this aside and let's check what is in the box. Let's open the tray. And here it is the Infinix charger. You can see that. Friends, it has 33 volt of fast charger. You will get this from this Infinix. And let's check what in the box. Here it is type A to type C cable lead charging, and that is 1 meter long. And here it is the SIM tool, and here it is some manuals and user manual. And friends, here it is the scratch. Friends, here it is the cleaning kit. When you just put your screen guard on your phone, you will get this in the phone. And here it is stickers, you can see. And here it is screen guard. You will also get this from this mobile phone. And let's talk about the cover. You will the cover is very plastic, you can see, plastic material. And here it is the, of course, MagSafe. You can get this from this app. And friends, let's talk about the MagPad. And it is a Infinix MagPad wireless magnetic charger. You will get this from this Infinix smartphone, and you have to enable it. And here it is the magnetic charger. You can see Infinix. Friends, here it is the type C port. You have to first charge this and just put it in your phone like this. Your phone will be charged. And here it is the user manual, small user manual. And let's unwrap the phone. Friends, it has two color variant. You can see that black and gold. I have purchased in black. And just unwrap this. Friends, here you can see its display, and all its sides are aluminum metallic. And you can see its back design. It is very metallic at side. And here it is the power button, volume rocker button, up and down. And at the bottom you will see here it is the microphone slot. Here it is the charging slot, type C. Here it is the speaker. and at this side you will see here it is SIM tool tray, and at the top you will see here it is JBL speakers. You can see sound by JBL. And let's open it, and it has 108 megapixel of camera with 5000 mAh of battery. That is insane. Friends, just power on this. You have to long press and you can see Infinix powered by Android. And let's talk about its camera. Cameras are gonna be cool. It has 108 megapixel of main camera plus 2 megapixel of camera plus 2 megapixel of camera, and it has DSLR like pictures and great zoom. And let's talk about it front. It has 32 megapixel of camera that takes attractive selfies with clear and sharp colors. And let's just on this. First you have to click on English. Here it is. Then click on next. Then you have to enter the insert the SIM card. You have to first skip this. You have to do it later. Then connect to the network. Enter the pass key here, and you can see, friends, it is connected. And just click on next. Here you have to agree all the user agreement and services. Click on just disable this user experience improvement program and enable this I have read and agree, and click on agree, and getting your phone ready. And talking about the display, that is quite large, 6.78 inches of full HD plus AMOLED display with cinematic display sharpest colors. That is gonna be cool, and it has a charging that leads up to 2 days. That's good. And of course it is 5G smartphone, so you don't have to worry about the net that is 4G or another. And just you can see its design. And just skip the Gmail ID and just disable all these that is asking and accept this. And friends, you can see here it is the camera of punch hole display. Click on Google, and here you have to press on next. It might take a few minutes, you can see. And just skip the Infinix ID. Click on this, your search provider. Click on next, and just back this. Friends, here you can see unlock method. It has 3: fingerprint, face unlock, and password. You can choose anything. I have choose password. Then here it is 3: pattern, numeric password, and alphanumeric password. You can choose pattern. Just apply the password again, then confirm it. Then use click on system navigation buttons. Click on next. And friends, welcome to XOS 14. Friends, let's attach the MagSafe, and here it is the MacPad by Infinix. You have to just simply do this. And friends, you have to see here it is the MacPad. Then you have to take your Type-C lead and just connect to this like this, you can see. And then you have to put it in your base like this, and phone at this side. And friends, you can see it is wirelessly charging. You can see this wireless is written on it, and you can see the animation. Its animation are also very good. And let's see its camera test also. Friends, let's open the camera. I have taken some picture, let me show you. And here you can see its camera resolution. Click on camera resolution, and here it is You can capture 2K plus at 30 fps photos and videos. I show you, I have taken videos. You can see this. The clarity of pictures and contrast of photos are very good. It is mixing all this. You can see friends, here I have taken the photo. You can zoom it like this. There is no photo lag or any issues, and you can see the pictures are very clear. And you can see the watermark over here. You will get also this. And at full screen, you can see at full screen display you will get this picture zoom out. You can see friends, that is very cool feature. And friends, let's talk about its features of camera. Here you have to give a film mode. You can see there are lots of film mode. If you want to gestures, motions, and you will get it from here. And if you want to use AI camera, you can. You will get 3x zoom here. Then let's talk about the portrait. The if it focus on the one, the other items on the back side, it will be blurred. And here it is also get super night mode. If you are capturing videos or photos in the night, you will get cluster clear photos on that. And here it is the more option. You can also record slow motion video, capture slow motion videos. You will also capture time-lapse video. It relies quick playbacks of the scenery changing process you shoot. And you can also shoot dual camera, like half camera at front side and back camera on another side. And you can record your videos of combined footage captured by dual cameras at the same time. Here it is short video, make fun videos with variety of materials. When you just click on it, you can just apply it. And there are many more, like pro feature, manually modify camera parameters to take more professionals image. And here it is panorama, take wide panoramic photos. Document, if you want to make a document of your pages, you can from your normal camera also. And here it is AR shot, that shoot and enhance fun photos and videos with variety of materials. Let's talk about its video quality and sound test. Friends, let's check it refresh rate. You can see there is no lag. If you are playing games on it, you will get immersed in it. Friends, here you can see it has 120 hertz of refresh rate. That is very cool feature in it. You can see its performance. If you are playing games or watching video, you will get a smooth experience in it. You can just click on 120 hertz like this. And let's talk about the, you can see how fast the apps are just opening. You can see. And let's just check the video quality of it. And you will get also sidebar, of course it has. And you have to click on 4K video. And let's check its video quality resolutions. And let's open the video. Friends, you can see its brightness also when I just at full. Here it is. You can get this from a full screen. You can see there is no notch problem in this smartphone. You will get to watch this video at full screen. You can see at 8 you can just zoom it. Let's talk about this quality. Click on quality. Here it is advanced. Friends, it has 4K plus HDR option of video playing. You can see that is very good for it. You can see I have taken it. You can see the clarity of it. Let's talk about the songs and speaker test. I have just wait a second. Friends, here you can see its video, its sound quality test. The sound, it has sound quality by JBL. That is a good part of this mobile phone. You can see there is no lag when you just open the apps. It is simply open. Friends, I will make one video of gaming test in another video. Make sure to watch it. In the description I have given the link of it. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.